Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Govee LED lights rainbow. And so the setup that I currently have is two floor lamps. So there's one floor lamp over there and one floor lamp over here. And then we have the Govee TV backlight here. Now, in order to make your Govee TV backlight a rainbow, what you're going to do is connect your backlight to the Govee Home app. Afterwards, click on the backlight. And then let that load. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Afterwards, click on Scene. And then you're going to scroll down and scroll to the left and click on Natural. And then you're going to scroll down until you see Rainbow A. So if I click on Rainbow A, now my Govee TV backlight is a rainbow. So this is one way to actually do it, in which your Govee TV backlight 3 can be turned into a rainbow. There's also a second version of the rainbow. If you click on Rainbow B, this is also a rainbow, and so that's how you turn your Govee TV backlight into a rainbow. This can also be applied to your other LED or Govee devices, in which you just have to click on the scene and actually find the rainbow setting. All Govee products or light strips should have the rainbow setting that looks like this here. So again, it's under Scene, scroll down, and then click on Rainbow. So with that being said, I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm running the 2 floor lamp plus 1 backlight setup. If you guys are interested in a setup like this, I'll leave links to these down below in the description.